Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install time of use charging with Southern California Edison, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Southern California Edison website. Look for the section dedicated to time of use charging options. Review the different time of use plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your energy usage needs. Create an account or log in to your existing Southern California Edison account. Once logged in, navigate to the Services menu. Select the Change Rate Plan option. Follow the prompts to initiate the process of switching to a time of use plan. Fill out any required information and confirm your selection. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email. Wait for notification from Southern California Edison regarding the activation date. It's essential to monitor your energy usage regularly after the switch. Consider using SCE's online tools to track your energy consumption during peak and off-peak hours. If you have an electric vehicle, make sure to adjust your charging times accordingly. Keep an eye on your monthly bills to ensure you're saving on energy costs. Contact customer support if you have any questions about your new plan. Review your energy habits after a couple of billing cycles. Adjust your usage as necessary to maximize your savings. Stay informed about any updates to time of use plans by visiting the website regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.